Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today I want to talk about Centilio Sign. If you have ever tried to close a deal, send a contract or get a document signed, you know it can be a headache. Sending by email, printing, scanning, waiting. So sometimes it takes days, but Centilio Sign is made to solve that. It lets you to send and sign documents online in just a minute. So in this video we are going to look at what Centilio Sign is, what it can does and why it is useful, and if it can replace other tools like DocuSign or HelloSign. And remember, I have a link in the description where you can get a special benefit, so don't forget to check that out after watching this video. Now Centilio Sign is an electronic signature platform. That means you can upload a document and you can add signature file and you can send it to someone. They can sign it from any device, even mobile, and it's legally valid. So you or they don't need to any printing, no scanning and no waiting. The design is simple, very fast and easy for beginners, and the signing process feels very smooth. And you can also track who opened the document, when they signed, and you even get an audit trail for security. For business, this saves a lot of time. Instead of chasing signatures for days, you can just get it in a minute. What makes Centilio Sign interesting compared to big players is that it is lightweight, not overloaded with features you don't need. So it focuses on fast and secure signing, and the speed really makes a difference. Now let's talk about the pricing. Normally, if you look at electronic signature software, they can be expensive. DocuSign and others can charge monthly, and the cost adds up quickly. For small teams or solo professionals, that's a big burden. But here is the exciting part. On AppSumo, you can get Centilio Sign with a lifetime deal. That means you pay one time and you can using it without monthly cost. Honestly, this is amazing for freelancers, agencies or small businesses because they get professional signing without breaking the budget. So if you are tired to slow deals and want to close contracts in minutes, definitely check the link in the description. You will find the AppSumo deal, and this is your chance to save money while still getting a top tool. So this was the video for today about Centilio Sign. I hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.